Today we're going plant shopping and enjoy all the colors. You can practically smell spring in the air. It's so close now. And have you seen the flower nurseries lately? Hi, this is Marta from the Living Backyard. I took a quick walk in one of my local HEBs and it didn't disappoint. It's bursting with color. By the way, did you say Kalanchoe or Kalanchoe? How do you say it? Just look at this. Every shade imaginable, crammed together, practically begging to be taken home. Don't judge. The only one that I wouldn't take really is the vines because I'm afraid they're going to take over. I had already that problem in the past. I can't wait to get my hands dirty in the garden, feeling the sunshine on my face and watching everything bloom. Oh, so pretty. Frankly, I rather complain about the Texas heat than the cold, where I can't garden. It just makes you feel happy and full of life, doesn't it? All of these plants with all these colors. I'm just imagining my porch full of plants and the planters full of beautiful leaves. So pretty. The best part of checking what your local nurseries have is that they have mostly plants best for your planting zone. Some are not so great, so we have to check the tag for information about the plant hardiness and check the prices, they're really good. If you're enjoying this video, hit the thumbs up. I'm loving all of these alocasias. I have my eye in one of those philodendrons. I think I want the Hope, which is a little sturdier for this weather, but we'll see. I live in between the zone 8B and 9A, but my biggest problem is the deer. This year I think I have better plan on what plants to grow, what to avoid, and how to be prepared to keep my plants safe and healthy. I'm checking on some dianthus. They're not only beautiful, but can you smell them? They are so, oh my gosh, they smell great. However, one of my most favorite plants is the one coming up is rosemary. I have several rosemaries around the house and I think I need more. These I consider more like they are for inside of the house, indoor plants, at least in my weather, because the heat gets really hot. This is one of the philodendron that I want to get. There's the Xanadu and there is the Hope and Celum. Many of these, if you put them in a large pot, they're going to grow really, really big. And the daisies, so gorgeous, so happy and full of color. I'm not sure if really the deer are going to leave them alone because last year they didn't, so I'm kind of afraid right now. But they're gorgeous. They have many colors. And the geraniums, they are just lovely. I think my favorite is the one that has the little darker snail shape in the leaves. I'm thinking I'm going to get a couple of them. Did you know that some geraniums have a fragrance like lemon and some even like chocolate? I didn't know. They are distant cousins of the Cuban oregano too. The best part is that they are very easy to propagate from cuttings, and that is a lot of fun. This is one of the new colors for me, in the color like peachy salmon. It's beautiful. Just look at this. Mm. If this is the first time that you visit the channel, subscribe. I have a bunch of videos on plants and gardening. I have had in my past gardens a bunch of ferns like this, the foxtail. I don't have one in this house, and I think I'm going to just solve that problem. The price is really good. I like the foxtail ferns because they produce bright red berries and they look nice, but these berries can be toxic to humans and pets, so we need to keep an eye on that. However, they also attract birds, and that's always a plus for me. I love elephant ears. Alocasia and colocasia. I saved all my big bulbs this past winter and they look all healthy, but I think I need a couple of new ones. What do you think? They started to bring patio decor too. Super cute. Very colorful. I hope you enjoyed these flowers. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Happy growing! Spring is around the corner, and watch the next video.